How to add LinkedIn logo in Canva resume. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add LinkedIn logo in Canva resume. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Canva, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is an online design and publishing platform aimed at democratizing design for everyone, in which it offers a user-friendly interface that allows individuals, regardless of their design experience, to create a wide array of visual content, including presentations, social media graphics, posters, and infographics in here. And also the platform provides access to thousands of customizable templates and rich of library of images, icons, and fonts, making it easy for users to produce professional quality designs quickly. So now the first thing that we need to do is simply go to this canva.com and start signing in your account. And after that, you simply go to the search bar on the top right corner in here and kindly search for resume in here. And upon searching on it, you'll be able to see here all of the details or different kind of templates that you can choose from to start customizing it. You will see a variety of templates of design, including layout. However, some of those are offered for free, while some of those you need to have an upgrade account or premium account in order to access some of the template. And if you're also looking for a specific kind of category, you can click this all filters button on the top panel, and on the left side panel we have here different kind of categories to choose from, and even color depending on your preferences, such as topic, subject, grade, language, and many more. But at this point, I'm just going to select this template right here that is offered for free. By clicking on it, you simply click this customize this template button, and you will automatically be directed on this timeline of Canva, where you can start customizing the design of this template in here, in which it is also simple to start customizing it by simply clicking on any of the elements, including the text, the picture or images, the background, the color, and many more. And you could also start using the editing tools that you can find on the left side panel on the top panel in here. For example, we're going to customize the naming here into Mark T. And if you want to zoom in, you simply adjust this one right here, and it will show you that the content or elements is now zooming in. And to add a LinkedIn logo in here, we're going to add here in this contact me section. There are different ways on how you can do it. The first one is by going on the left side panel or searching under this element by clicking or search for LinkedIn logo. And upon searching this one, you can simply go to this graphic design. However, some of these design are offer, or you could also access this when you have a premium account. So if you have a premium account, you can simply drag some of this graphic design or logo of LinkedIn, or alternatively, you could also search on Google by searching LinkedIn logo, in which by searching on it, it will show you a variety of options to choose from in here. So let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this one. By clicking on it, it will show us in here that we can simply right click it and copy this or save it in our computer files. And after that, just proceed by going on our Canva account and start uploading these images in here. So just go back to this page where you can start pasting it or using the upload button on the left side panel. Now, as you can see, it is now currently uploaded in here or added. So we can start resizing it. However, it is suggested to use also an element, which is a circle frame, to be added in this before putting the logo of LinkedIn to make it more appealing or more creative to look at. So again, just simply search on the element section on the left side panel this circle frame and simply drag it in here. And after that, just simply resize it by dragging on the corner of it. And after that, just simply enter here below in here and just drag this logo to this circle. So now, as you can see, it is now currently added in the circle frame. Now the next thing that we need to do is simply link our LinkedIn account. And to do that, kindly proceed by simply right clicking on it, and it will show us in here the option to link, where we can start pasting the link in here. Now again, just simply go to your LinkedIn account. So make sure to sign in your account in here on LinkedIn, and after that, just simply go to your profile by simply clicking this profile icon on the top right corner and click this view profile button, and it will show us in here the link that we can start copying, or alternatively, we could also click this public profile and URL in here, in which they're almost just the same. So now after copying the link, just simply go to our Canva account in here and simply paste the link on this page and click done button to proceed. And upon doing so, it will automatically be attached the link inside this logo of LinkedIn. So if the employer try to click the logo of LinkedIn, it will automatically be directed in our profile or our LinkedIn account. Now moving on, you could also add here a text by clicking the text button on the left side panel and add here a body text. And at this point, you could also add here your name on your LinkedIn account or your username in here. For example, I'm going to enter this one. Then just simply proceed by resizing it and placing it right here. And after that, we could also enter here or incorporate our link to our LinkedIn account. So kindly simply highlight this text in order to do the same process that we did on our LinkedIn logo. And after that, just click this link icon and simply paste here the link and click done to proceed. And after that, it will now show you that it is now currently being integrated or incorporated link. So again, when an employer try to click this link or this logo or username, they will automatically be directed in our LinkedIn profile, where they can start checking all of our past jobs or experience in here. But you could also navigate to change your contact info in here, your email address, and any other details of your resume. But as you can see, we have now successfully added this LinkedIn logo in here. And now to save the changes, just click the share button on the top right corner. Then proceed by clicking this download button below to proceed. And under this file type, make sure to select either PDF standard or PDF print in order to make the logo and our username clickable to be directed to the link. Since if you click or choose PNG or JPG, the LinkedIn logo will not be able to become a clickable and also the username. So make sure to set the PDF standard or PDF print as your file type to download your resume in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can add LinkedIn logo in Canva resume. Thank you.